Wholesale. Today we're here to show you how to use the Economy Dry Polishing Kit from Master Wholesale. It comes with Economy Blaster Grinder, 7-piece dry polishing pad, Velcro pad holder. I also want to mention that when you're doing any sort of dry polishing, you want to make sure that you're wearing safety glasses, dust mask, and ear protection. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the blaster and we're going to remove the blade flange and nut off the grinder. So we'll press this button in the back. Go ahead and take that off and set it off the side. We won't be needing that, but you're going to want to hold on to those because you can hook your blade up to it. Then we're going to take the Velcro pad holder and we're going to spin it on here. Same thing, push the button, tighten it up. So we want to make sure we set the RPM here, the adjustable speed, to 4, which is going to be about 3,000 RPMs once we put a load on it, and that's the speed we want to polish at. And then we're going to go ahead and put the 50 grit, which is your first grit, on the pad holder, and we're going to go ahead and start polishing. Okay, so when you're doing any sort of edge work or polishing, it's always a good idea to get as many pieces lined up as you can. We have 3 pieces laid out on the bench here. Could probably fit 4 on here. For the purpose of the video though, to make it go quicker, we're only going to polish 1 piece. So we have our blaster grinder with the 50 grit already mounted. We want to make sure that we have these set at 4, which is approximately 3,000 RPMs once we place a load on it. And we're going to make sure that we remove all saw marks from this piece before we move on to the 100 grit. One thing I'm going to do with my 50 grit is you can see how it's kind of chipped up down here across the bottom. We're going to go ahead and bevel that a little bit with it before we move on. The reason for that is so if we put another tile butted up against that, you won't see those chips when you grout it. So we're going to go ahead and move on to the 100 grit. Grit. The 400 grit. See that the polish is already starting to come in at the floor. Put the 800 grit on. We'll go ahead and put a little bevel on the top of it. The 1500. Then we'll go to the 3000. So as you can see, we got a nice polish from this, and this piece is ready to install. So that's how you use the Master Wholesale dry polishing system. That's just a basic flat polish. We have other videos on round edge or bullnose polishing. Check out our website to see them.